Hello friends, I am Dr. Snita, consultant pediatrician and neonatologist at Apple Children's Clinic, Hyderabad. Every year, the first week of August is celebrated as World Breastfeeding Week to highlight the importance of breastfeeding and to protect and support breastfeeding around the world. This year, I take this opportunity to share with you all the huge benefits that the mother and baby will get from breastfeeding. World Breastfeeding Week 2021, the theme is Protect Breastfeeding, a Shared Responsibility. Many women who otherwise wanted to continue breastfeeding to their baby are not getting enough support because of the working schedules of a modern women. So my advice for the working women is that if you want to continue breastfeeding as much as possible to your baby while working, you can express milk and store it. If you keep it at a room temperature, you can use it for 6 hours, and if you store it in a refrigerator, you can use it for 24 hours. By doing so, we can save almost 8 lakh children in a year otherwise who are succumbed to pneumonia or diarrhea. So it is the responsibility of the family and the community, and it is responsibility from all the levels to support breastfeeding. And breastfeeding should be initiated as soon as the baby is born, at least within 1 hour of life, and should exclusively breastfeed the child till 6 months of age and to continue breastfeeding till 2 years of age. It is very important to know that your baby has many benefits from breastfeeding. The breast milk is the ideal nutrition for your baby, and it increases the intelligence of your baby by improving the IQ levels, and it boosts the immunity of your baby, and as it contains antibodies, it helps your baby fight off many bacteria and virus. It also lowers the risk of allergies and many infections like pneumonia or diarrhea. It also reduces the risk of getting type 2 diabetes mellitus, hypertension or heart disease, or being overweight later in life. It is quite interesting that mother also has benefits from breastfeeding. It helps mother to balance her hormones, thus reducing postpartum bleeding, and it also helps the uterus to come back to its normal size. It has a contraceptive effect till the baby is on exclusive breastfeeding, that is till 6 months of age. It lowers the risk of getting breast cancer or ovarian cancer to the mother. It also reduces the risk of getting type 2 diabetes mellitus or heart disease later in life. Finally, this emotional bonding between the mother and the baby, which started at birth, will continue this loving relationship throughout the life. So, on the occasion of World Breastfeeding Week 2021, Apple Children's Clinic aims at spreading awareness among mothers to exclusively breastfeed your child till 6 months of age and to continue breastfeeding till 2 years of age to offer the most protection. Thank you.